Hey, what's up you guys? Gus here, back with another quick review. This time, I got a new camera. I want to show you guys a quick little breakdown of my rig and I guess the system I use. We're showcasing the SmallRig A7IV Basic Kit. And this is my cat. Cool. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my rig. Usually how I have it. I have it on my carbon fiber bend roll sticks right now. And this is my setup, basically for video when I'm on sticks. The great thing about this is that I could always just level out my camera here. Super simple, super effective, and since I take both photo and video, this is a photocentric tripod, but I made it work with this ball head I got. So anyway, so I want to give you guys a quick breakdown of my setup. This is it, right? Sony A7IV, I just got it 2 weeks ago, and I'm still playing with it. So I have the 85 on here, just for showcasing basically. The A7IV, DDV mic D3 Pro, and yeah, that's actually my phone used as a monitor for the camera wirelessly. It's light, it's run and gun, and I'm testing out the latency on this system in crowded spaces, because right now at home it works out. There's no issues, but I'm thinking if I'm out and there's obviously people with their phones and whatnot, it might cause some interference. I don't know, but we're gonna test it out. But for now, this is my run and gun shoot. So I'm just gonna break this down a bit to show you guys what I have. Oop, there goes my mic. This is basically it, right? Now, there's a reason why I went with the basic kit and not the pro kit. One of the big selling features. It's still the same cage. There's no difference. The only big difference that I found was the handle. The handle on the basic kit from SmallRig is this handle right here, right? It doesn't have the side handle. I don't really like the side handle on my left side, even though there's a NATO rail here on this cage. I don't really like it because I'm right-handed, and I feel it's better stability with my right. And I'm so used to doing this with the cameras, right? Just focusing manually if I have to. All right, sorry about that, guys. So I saw that I forgot that I'm actually filming this review on my A7 III, and I forgot that when you have a monitor attached to it and you're shooting 4K, the auto face detection doesn't work. So that's why this was in focus for the first part of the video and not my face. Anyway, so big selling point that I like is this handle, okay? It's a really big handle, first of all. Like it's meaty. Like that's my hand, and I still have another groove back here, right? It's a good size handle. I didn't get the Pro Kit because I don't like the handle here like I was saying before. I just don't like it. I'm used to doing this with my cameras, and I actually have on my A7 III cage a handle that I bought that extends here, which I like. So I'm more used to shooting this way. And then with the A7IV grip being much bigger than the A7 III, we have to focus, much bigger meaty grip, I don't need that handle on the side. Like, this is perfect. I really love this. So it keeps the center of gravity point closer to the camera and not so far out to add more leverage, right? This handle is what sold me on this kit as opposed to the Pro combo. And I needed a handle because my top handle on my A7 III, it was just starting to get flimsy, and it would move around, but this is the handle. Actually, bring this out of the sun. Okay, cool. So, the handle, okay? Great thing about this handle is it goes right on top of the cage, but with the RE mounting point right here, right? Which is right here on top of the cage. Boom, right there. These little holes here act as a little grip basically, so you don't have the handle spinning left and right when you're holding it or when you're moving around. So that's great. There. It's got the RE locating pins, which I love. Now what's great about this handle that I actually love is it actually has 4 RE locating mount points on the handle itself. So the first one being in the front, right here, one right on top, one on this side, and then one on the opposite side. And it's great because on my old, or on the A7IV rig that I have this SmallRig RE locating pin tilt. Is this tilt bracket right here from SmallRig. It just tilts back and forth. It doesn't swivel side to side because I always wanted to be directly aligned with my camera, and I don't want to have to be fidgeting with a magic arm. That used to be my old setup, and it would just fall, or it would tip over, or I'd be passing and I'd hit a wall and it would just like throw it off. So this is perfect. So that's how I mount it. And when I'm mounting this right now, I'm mounting it to the front of my handle, just like this. You know, and it's perfect. It's in perfect view. It's away from the handle and anything else I might mount on here. If I want to throw this on an easy rig or something, it's got this mounting point which doesn't get in the way, and I can just mount this on the side or something. So that's what sold me on this kit. Well, that's what sold me on this kit, and not the Pro Combo, okay? Because the Pro Combo has a cheaper handle included. Okay, so this one has actually 3 cold shoes. It has 2 in the back, one that you can mount vertically here, and one right on top. So you have 1, 2, and then this top one is actually really cool that I didn't find out it was this type of cold shoe until I got the handle. It's got a safety pin right here. See that? Safety pin. So you mount whatever you're gonna mount on top, right? And it won't fall off. It clicks into place, and then to get it off, you have to put down the pin and then pull it off. So you don't have to worry about, let's say you have a light on here that you're not using your monitor, or you want to throw your monitor here quick. You don't have to worry about it falling off when you do any tilt downs or any movements that involve this, right? It's gonna stay, which is great. It has obviously the hex or the Allen key, so you can tighten it once you finger tighten, and then you just stick it in the holes and tighten it more. I'm just gonna bring this back in frame here. Boom. Just like this. Oh, there goes that. Quick mount on top, my handle. And the handle mounts just like that. And you're good to go. All right. So yeah, that's basically what sold me on this cage, and not anything else. Oh, and then also I added this cold shoe mount on the side. That's not included. Okay, as you can see here, this cold shoe mount, get out of the way so it doesn't get my face. I added this cold shoe mount. So I have a cold shoe mount on this side, a cold shoe mount that's already part of the cage here, right? And normally what I do in that case, or I'm gonna be doing, is I'm actually gonna mount my mic here, and then on this one I'll be able to mount what's it called, the lav mic systems that I have, right? Or I might flip it. I don't know yet. I'm still trying to figure out the best. I'm still trying to figure out the best way to have this work for me. Because I just got it. I actually have a shoot come Sunday with it that I'm gonna be running around mostly handheld, just because the venue is very small and they don't allow me to set up a tripod and leave it there. And I don't really have a space to, like, for media to just set up and stay in one spot. So I'll be using this, which I love. So that's basically my setup. You know, it's super fast, super easy, and that's it. And a lot of other reviews that I've seen that don't really mention is this NATO rail. Like I said, the NATO rails are great for quick changes of the system that you're using, right? So you could definitely add a handle here. You can, I don't know, if you want to use a NATO rail and then throw a light on here or something, I guess, which is great. But this is my basic run and gun setup for now. Just my phone as the monitor. Okay, and I'm not joking. Watch, I'll show you guys that my monitor, my phone is the monitor, right? So we're gonna do that. All right, as you guys can see, this is filming the back of the camera, but it's also getting my hand up there, right? So look at that. There's probably, I don't know, a millisecond of lag or latency. Maybe it's just, it's funny, it's registering faster live than in the camera here. I'm not sure how that works, but it's weird. Yeah, no, it's weird. It looks slow it looks slow here, what's being recorded, but looking at it with my eyes here, it's actually not that slow. It's instant, and I'm not sure why it's not doing that. It's probably the refresh rate on the monitor. Anyway, that's the monitor, right? And you guys have probably heard about this app, it's Monitor Plus app. It's able to control Sony cameras only currently, nothing else. But you have, I can start recording from the phone, which is crazy. And you can see there's no wires here. See, there's no wires anywhere. So you have touch to focus. You can start recording. Oh, where'd you go? Start recording, and you have tally lights that pop up. It's crazy. Waveforms, false color, full control of the camera. Oh, no. Oh, it also, oh, that's another feature that it does. So you have touch to focus. You can start recording. Oh, where'd you go? Start recording, and you have tally lights that pop up. It's crazy. Waveforms, false color, full control of the camera. Oh, no. Oh, it also, oh, that's another feature that it does. It's so cool. It's crazy. Here you go. Full control of the camera right here. Whoop. Shot out of focus. See, I just opened up my iris, my aperture. There it is. See, is that crazy? That's nuts, right? Anyway, but that's my setup. So I have my A7IV with the SmallRig Basic Kit. All right, I don't have the Pro combo. I don't like the handle on that comes with it. This top handle is much better, much more robust. And if you actually see this handle, it's like, I think it's like 60 bucks, 50, 60 bucks. But it's honestly, it's the better handle that I have right now. And this is great right here. Small, this literally the smallest running gun setup I've ever had. So just wanted to give you guys a review on why I got this handle or this combo from SmallRig and not the Pro combo. Right. So hopefully that gives you guys some information on that. And that's it. And let me know also if you want to see a review of my tripod. My shoes. See a review of my tripod. So I have leveling ball head. It's got a center column that I'm able to. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to have, I guess, a full in-depth review of the cage or my tripod setup, that'd be cool. I don't know. But yeah, you guys go for the basic combo kit, not the pro kit. I honestly like the tripod. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys